Hi, I'm Manette from the Hammock Bath Company. We're here at the Melbourne Home Show to launch our range of hammock baths. This is the Haven Bath in Dove. It's a beautiful, ergonomically designed bath, just so comfortable to lie in. It's suspended on a frame. This bath is the Oasis in alabaster. You suspend this bath between two walls, giving it that floating finish. Over here, we have the Mirage. It's a bath that's on a pedestal, so it's freestanding. Also with that same beautiful curve inside the bath, making it really, really comfortable. To match the baths, we've got basins. The basins are 1/3 of the size of the bath. The scale's a replica of the bath. It comes in ebony, alabaster, and Dove. All these products are made from solid surface, a really durable, comfortable, beautiful, easy to clean product. Hope you enjoyed the tour of our stand. If you want to come and see it in real life, come down here and visit us or go to our website www.hammockbath.com.au.